Hey, good morning. It's Friday. Okay, so I had planned today to go out to a nearby neighborhood to drop off some more of these flyers that I get for free, door to door, but it's kind of drizzly and raining, so I don't want to get wet and I don't want the flyers to get wet either. So instead, I have to go to the grocery store. I'm going to go into local businesses on my way to the store and leave brochures inside. Okay, I'm going to take you with me. If the video stops abruptly, that means I ran out of storage. So here we go. Hold on. I like to pick a shopping strip where there are several businesses, so I don't have to do a lot of stopping at different places. I just walk. Buenos días. Aquí le dejo más libros de abono, ¿ok? Gracias. Okay, I've left brochures there before. So, next is a dental office. Hi, can I leave some Avon books on your table?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, I'm going to leave one up here too.
Okay.
Thank you. You too. Okay, next is a dry cleaners. Where's the door? Here's the door. Good morning. I'm just leaving some free Avon books for you, okay?
Okay.
Just like this, and here you go. Thank you.